G Squad, what's happening with y'all? Baby Tall Guy in the flesh, back with another legendary video coming to y'all live from the humble abode. Man, I got my meal prep sitting over there on that counter. You can see right there is breakfast. I got oats, strawberries, bananas, kiwi. Let me show you. So we got a little bit of strawberries, bananas, kiwis, some oats, some other different kind of oats in there. And then we have the lunch prep in the microwave. But yeah, man, breakfast, lunch, let's go. But before we do that, let me go ahead and show you the meal prep. I got done doing more meal prep last night. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. You know, we got the almond milk and all that stuff. Let's show you the breakfast. And here we got egg whites, spinach, turkey, and we got people texting my phone. And I don't know, I'm trying to make a video. And what we got up in here, man? We got chicken, mixed vegetables, and brown rice. That's the lunch for 7 days straight. And then now we have the dinner, which is salmon, edamames, calamari, squid, or whatever you want to call it. We got spinach on top of that. We got broccoli. We have mussels and shrimp. Or did I say shrimp already? I don't know, but either way it goes, here we go. Let's grab a water. And let me show y'all the humble abode real quick before we head up out of here. For those who don't watch every single last video, it ain't too late to become G Squad. Make sure you go ahead and do that. And if you want to get that young custom joint, you see I got them new emojis put next to the names. If you want to do that, man, go ahead and hit that join button. If not, I believe you G Squad either way. But Staples Center and all that, man, my baby queen, she's been gone for a while getting training. But when she come back, she's going to be fully structured, man. But now let's go up in here, hey, with the slide too. Grab that lunch and let's head up out of here. And what do you know, the McLaren is not here today. He actually drove the damn thing. You got the Ferrari and the ACR Viper as usual over there. You got the meal prep. We are walking to the whips, man. You got the Lamborghini, of course, and you got the Ram Breezy, and you got the Bloody Cat. Now, which one are we going to take? Pretty easy decision today, considering the title and the thumbnail, so let's just get to it. Now, before we get to everything, make sure y'all follow Instagram, Snapchat. Subscribers who watch this video, hit the thumbs up, man. I'd greatly appreciate it, dude. And follow me on Facebook. We got the Hellcat on the top. Now we got to go, man. Look at the hood. Ooh, yo, look at that Charger right there. It got like a green chrome wrap. That thing look crazy. That car just got in the way, but can y'all see that joint? That looks crazy, right? Let's see if I can catch it over on this side. Look at the green chrome. Wow. Now we are here, man. Got the Bloody Cat all cleaned up. Make sure y'all follow my brother's YouTube channel, The Life of Jeremy Barrett. That joint is crazy legendary, man. It's about to get even more legendary. I just got to find this tow driver, go in here and talk to them, and I'll see y'all in a second. So they are in there getting the Hellcat brought it out and all that good stuff, man. So we're going to whip this back around front because I didn't even know the actual front of the building is actually inside that gate and they won't let me record in there. So we're going to get in here, have them pull up the Hellcat, and we're going to get up out of here, baby. It ain't going to sound like that long. This is probably the last time y'all going to hear that thing sound like that, to be honest. This is one crazy environment, though. I ain't going to lie to y'all, man. It's like a car junkyard slash park place. I don't know what the hell you want to call this place, but they got, look at that big ass forklift, man. That thing been dragging cars and dumping them up front, then bringing them back. Like, they got a lot going on right here. But there goes the actual tow truck that's gonna grab the Hellcat and bring that joint over to RDB so we can get this whole video started, man. But now let's go ahead and cut that thing off, and I gotta meet them all. I gotta go wait in line over there, and I can't record over there, so I gotta go wait over there for them to bring the Hellcat up. It's a long story. I just gotta go over there and get it done, man. So I'll see you in a minute. So it's big time official, G Squad. We got the Hellcat on the tow truck, man, and we're about to make it happen, man. We're about to hop up in there, and we are about to go, baby. Look at that thing, man. Damn, it's crazy seeing the Hellcat like that, but now we are about to hop up in this Charger Hellcat, The Life of Jeremy Barrett. Click that link in the bio or in the description, and make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to his YouTube channel, baby. Now we're up out of here. One more startup for the startup. Gotta do it for the one time. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, G Squad, it feel crazy looking at the Hellcat like that, man. Wow. We about to just go strip it off like it ain't nothing, man, and put all the parts right here on the Bloody Cat. Look like my damn Hellcat got training wheels on too, don't it? Look at it. Man, I miss the Hellcat though, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. The Bloody Cat about to be transformed big time though. I mean, look at that. Speed up on that thing a little bit. Ain't that crazy? Like how I'm in a Hellcat, following a Hellcat, and it's legendary. It's nuts all at the same damn time. It's like, it just goes to show you how blessed me and my family are to have come from where we come from, to actually be, you know, having and own the Hellcat, to my brother having a Hellcat, me driving this joint and following my Hellcat. We're about to swap the parts off that Hellcat, put it on this Hellcat, and this joint right here about to be, the bloody cat about to be big, beefed up and beasted up, man. But I'll see y'all whenever we get to RDB, man, because I just gotta take in the moments, baby. Just like that, man, we are here at RDB, baby. You know what they do over there, man. Make sure you go over there and subscribe to their channel, man. We got the Hellcat on the back of the tow truck still, man, and yeah, we moving and grooving, baby. So we about to pull these joints in here, man, and let the whole build begin. What do y'all know? We have a Dodge Demon right there. Y'all have seen that before in the videos over here at RDB. And of course you got that ticket person, they always here, man. But Dodge Demon, Hellcat, bloody cat, Fold-O, Charger Hellcat, man. Now it's just a matter of pulling that thing up off there and getting to it, I guess. You got the motorcycles. The motorcycles here in California be going crazy. If I was to get a Demon, I would get it just like this, but I would have red interior. This one got the black interior, but he does have the red seatbelt, but I need full red interior with the red seatbelt. Definitely got to have that sunroof. The sunroof is mandatory. Those are real rare to see on a Dodge Demon too, so that's actually pretty dope, man. But white with the black rims, with the red brake calipers, and keep that front guard on there because I took that off my Hellcat. And I mean, yeah, red interior, man, and that thing would be perfect if it just had red interior. Look at the poor Hellcat, y'all. Damn. Getting that joint jacked down, man. They got the little sticker up on the windshield and all that, man. So yeah, big done for, big RIP to the Hellcat. Just gonna swap the parts up off here, man. Appreciate this guy too, man. Thanks for your help too, man. I appreciate that. You know, he's been doing a lot and going hard with it, man. But yeah, big, come on, man. Graffiti on the Hellcat. My guy Mono, RDB, go subscribe. We got a BMW, Matt Green. Type on my, blew my kneecap off. You know what I mean? But here you go, brother. Red key. And then they got the key for the Hellcat. Yeah, 2 red ones, brother. Yeah. Oh, my guy Mono, man. Appreciate y'all, man.
I'll see you soon.
See you soon, man. Tomorrow, you know me, brother, every day. Oh, damn, yeah. See, look at boy, about to hit me again. Damn it.
You would have broke that car if you were over that.
Yeah, maybe. Or it'd have broke one of my legs. Yeah. Insurance claim, another one. Lawsuit. No, it's way. All right, champ. So there goes my ride right there, man. And he's gonna give him the keys to the Hellcat. Appreciate you again, my man. And you got the key in there, right? So you just give it to them? My man, appreciate it. And I'm leaving the bloody cat right here to RDB as well. Let me unlock the door so that way I can cut these lights off because the lights are still running. Look at them lights, damn legendary. But this is my ride right here, so I gotta tell them real quick. Good thing I got cars, man, plural cars, because now I'm about to hop in the Errands. We gotta run some errands, man. Make sure y'all subscribe as y'all watching this video. Like I said earlier in the video, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, subscribe as you're watching that video, and give your boy a follow on Facebook, man. But look at the Errands with the tires poking out that thing. Ooh-wee, let's unlock that. Ooh, that thing just dropped down like that with the red interior. Damn, man, let's go ahead and start that thing up, man. You know I'm extra tall, so I just do that. Damn. Big roar. Hey, so listen, man, real quick, because they got big music playing. I'm gonna need all the funds, you know what I mean? But introduce yourself, man.
Yo, my name is Kane, the barber here at New Line Cut. This is what we do all day, every day.
You gonna give me your number, man?
Yeah, you can hit me up at Beard by Kane at Instagram, or Mago Born at Snapchat, or you can hit me up at 213-536-3375. That's 213-536-3375.
Type gangbanging with the hand, ain't he? Damn, you a little cold with them hands, champ, you know what I mean? But shout out to all the G Squad, man, that mentioned, and you as well, you know, and all the other G Squads out there that's barbers and all that, man. I got so many people that hit me up about that, man. Yeah. Crazy, but it was hard to find people, but I wanted to come somewhere that was close. But nonetheless, I'm gonna try to reach out to a few of y'all, get my haircut a few places. Some places I was seeing, some people was hitting me up. Then some of the examples, the receipt line was like, here, I said, hey, not you, champ.
Yeah, we don't do none of that.
You know what I mean? So we gonna get together, man, but I just wanted to go ahead and give him love because he gonna give me love, and that's how the world works, right?
Right.
My man, appreciate it.
Got you, brother.
So I'll see y'all in a minute. As soon as I get done getting cut up, and y'all see my hairline ain't gonna be back here.
It's gonna be right here.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Salute here, not here.
That's what I'm talking about. G Squad, man. We check it in and check it out. Damn, you see our boy looking type gold on that thing, huh? He put some cannabis oil on there too, didn't you? That's why your boy looking so shiny and golden. We got that cannabis stuff on there, and then we even had to have the cannabis aftershave. So it's good for understand. Instead of putting, you know, most barbers got the alcohol, he got the cannabis aftershave, man. Come on, man. Make sure y'all follow my man on Instagram. His Instagram link will be below in the description. I also have it floating up on the screen. Give it to him one more time, man.
And we got this right here too.
Oh damn, what the hell is that? Okay, there's some cushions on there?
Yep.
Okay, well, yeah.
There's a million ways to make $1 million, bro.
Yeah, there's a million ways to climb one mountain.
And it's all legal, 100% legal. And that's the way of making money. Paperwork.
There you go, man. Make sure y'all holler at us. Give me your Instagram one more time.
And once again, you can hit me at beardbykane_ on Instagram or Mango Bonbon at Snapchat.
Yep.
Or you can just hit me up at Facebook at Kane Dolamite. And I'll do it with my nonprofit and my homeless organization. We're always there. We're here at T in the Back, New Line Cuts. It's a new line or ain't no line.
Yeah, and his phone number will be below in the description. So make sure y'all call him if y'all anywhere in LA or anywhere close and you want to get a fresh cut. Because you see he got your boy all the way together. I ain't gonna hold you, man. I ain't never had one that look like that. You get what I'm saying, man? But appreciate you, dog.
Got you, my boy.
But I'm getting up out of here, man. I'll see you in a minute. Time to start up that young Ram Breezy. Hear that thing? Come to life. But that's it, G Squad, man. Nothing really else to talk about. Y'all got everything. Y'all gonna get this video type for negligent and messing up with the damn seatbelt, man. But that's it for today's video, man. I'll see y'all tomorrow. And tomorrow's video, baby. Y'all know the grind don't stop all day, every day, 365 a year, man. Keep on going. The marathon must continue. It's mandatory unless you want to be a bum in life. Not me. I'll pass on that. But tall guy, see you on the next one, baby. I'm gone.